Mema will about GC news, hot news all time, latest and hot news. Then I'm Bravo. Captain Smart on your TV morning show with body and simply to the hour to say a police for divisional has in now one compile a list of police personnel one of my NPP. Now Captain against some to do an answer. Now say everybody said let's just say so we can subscribe to the channel now. Let's just say over subscribe. Put the other say over click the subscribe button. Now our belly notification. When I new video piano also what's that can be. After we are now like the video, give us a thumbs up. Now share my offer so now when you be now working. Afi MO and Sammy. Captain Smart or the Sammy Atuga would just say NPP for one agent list was it divisional heads. District commanders organize who provided a list of personnel I want to say. Now what just NPP for this listing on when who said when Owusu within the police the military until one compile a listing now. Captain and Sammy. I don't know beside you say. Is he aware when in the person now you could hear Captain Smart means somehow the two fire is somehow what they about to get 8 years ago.
It is a say I'm no case or what am I doing? Your friend district commander, divisional commander BR. They say my list of police for a was my IGP. Are you aware of this? If you don't know, I am telling you this morning. Say I'm no case every divisional commander wire list at the NPP. Mewa, all the issue a statement and come and deny. And I'll show you something small at it. District commanders and divisional commanders, they have been tasked. So for a list of police officers that were singing na bra. Sadi abumai. Bra, when you about and I'm on yareo, but Australia no Owusu sign. Obe head one no wabra pompa ball. Wunja baby and fan KJ, and so no. Me say all divisional and district commanders of the Ghana Police Service. Wama ye list call. With him, wama the list require say for telephone numbers can. Their telephone numbers in can Ghana for munche na DC na owo hono. DC na owo hono. Wa hwehwe Diti di akoma ina ne se. Ma me to me bona me ma details ni ye na fe me wia me wura asem foforom. Tie me ye proper. Me say apostle penifo wo krom ha ina ya we. Say NPP party no urgent list of police officers across the country. Now, apostle for Munse ye, adi upon buenu time. Nana do the year mono. Second one, man who had Dampare time or the bayemo. 80 Wukwa district commanders, divisional commanders, yes, 1 year less than Mra, IGP sa wunima makao. Mo issue statement say yanukre. 80 sa Wukwa. Now with the less than a qua. No ma says here. After one crop, womunim say. MPP for. I've already told you. So we run Ghana Armed Forces are. MPP says almost 6,000 military officers. We mean that MPP for. Almost I don't know boom. Me na me kai. Lieutenant Ken Ofori negate Kaswa. Kaswa baby for boom. Kaswa obom ho. E ho na sa Lieutenant Colonel no negate ye. Ne yire ewa denta ena ne girl no ewo kaso bom me kan yo no awe hunu commander lieutenant kan be yan kan sam nchi plane Ghana nye MPP dia Ghana nye NDC dia Ghana ye dia na me say Kenya esua mo be bom nsam amanyame Kenya esua I am just a man Nikrom ha. Sana ya na madwen ye mo. Wuhia nipa on sro wu a sro ni chen wo papa. Eti so omo je list na no mape. Wo NPP fa wo mu no mabusa say. Hwan mu na ewo mumu a wunim won say wo nyina ye NPP police for. Na hwan mu na wunim a say we mu wo mo nye NPP for. Nti wunim ade wo mo ye. special voting na soldier for the police for security agencies ne be no say no instead say first na nka baby a wote bia no wotimi to presidential parliamentary no ebia location na wo no ho na abeto no say bisa soldier for bisa police for soldier for grand and say Oninkran or Cape Coast, Cape Coast, all the regional capitals. But police for no, obi o throne din e won kran. Ya transfer no, echo Cape Coast. Ya transfer no kosire. Ya say one sign wa chimra, magic krata wa one ka beba. Akufo-Addo time and no ye foreign affairs minister. Na Akufo eye president. Na Francis Poku eye national security minister. Yey ya wode yen kosu ase ne yewi abato mu no meka ho strategy it was say ya to Ghana abato bia na special vote ni baba na ya said I dimirika ka so aba we ya wene na etimi ya influence general elections no aban na hu se walusu soldier for the police for ndada enuti na aban we sha ase so person pam dampare se ya me no ka say wo pam dampare din because dampare yi ne se aduasa aka kire won say Ghana first enu ti na Bawumia de dampare din ko so person ye running mate party dem penny for ampene no my boss also they can't trust him. Are we looking for people who will love this country, or we are looking for people who will support the NPP stupidly? I am not saying nobody should support the NPP. I was once a member. I have left where Kennedy Agyapong catcher say, or can say, producer, Kennedy Agyapong can say, also name the entry or join this party because NPP also Jimmy dear. Aha. It's me my fear Jimmy for party. It's my catch was a Ghana ni bien one not dream da. Says yes, I want dream ye Juma. So we are mahino, we are chamio, we are dicro, we are assemblyman. So wouldn't Jimmy ya? Want to about my NPP da somebody ya woman. Hey, and your Bawumia Sabramika. Yesterday I told you he's a fine gentleman. But let me be sincere with you. Bawumia winning elections in there or my bo. Do you know why? Nanado. Any Achim mafias no will never allow that to happen. So bet me employ your money here. Enuti ena na onto be running mate. Or the Koboha. Ye all ye na I see a question nanado ni ade na forget it. Omwa. Or when the Koboha fair you say Thursday they be kwa neck. Na ade no fan kwa neck na Thursday na ade be kwa. We are the majority for so. Sadi yi running mate okrum ha. Mills yi running mate. Ono ananado dan kasa so yi Bawumia running mate. What e ho dai? What e an say boom. Abrante be your friend Bawumia or ananado dan kwa Akufo-Addo. Running mate 2008. Consultation me on so it was underground. A confirm that time, you know, I am telling you on authority. Kufo was very instrumental in the selection of Dr. Mahama Bawumia as the running mate of Renado Danko Akufo-Addo. At the time, I can Agyapong story on all can question about Bawumia and about Bawumia free and all this. No, may I have no, I don't forget it. So he was tamed. Kennedy Agyapong was tamed. Stop the nonsense. Shut up and stop the rubbish. And I can hear John. Party the power no started say OJ contracts. Mumi say Kennedy Agyapong say 100 million Ghana cedis no. Street light project the man na yere wa fix street light no mo ka se ya Jimmy na yegu kurum ha ho se Ghana ni presenter bia suro so beka me meka sa no me dada ayi your friend say Kweku Annan I say pam Captain Smart na be ya oban deputy minister wo fi head o mindi bi da babaje di say head ana ye tro krata ana omode ma Kojo Dixon. Also, Papa Penny, I have match 2 a.m. Now the letter by him will be free. Who can say a friend say? Devon compound, Mogan say. Compound house. Now could you Dixon? On am to say, Crammy, you won't fear coin. Or who have the crat, I'm 2 a.m. Wabra me mother. Yes, I suspended Captain Smart. And on my Francisca or Tain, Deputy Minister. Owari yana Akufo-Addo pam no. Ukodi bibi dia undi minister. Ni share that fa hono mu yi na di. Kwaku te. So ehun. Me meka no kore na kyerɛw. Utebiye, timiye. Eti ehye ewo ho no. There's nothing this current crop of NPP people can ever do to make this country a better place. I am not asking you whoever you should go and vote for, but me, I am telling you the naked truth. Sadi yi running mate. Mahama running mate. Bam. Jena no poku ajimai. Nana do dan kwa Akufo-Addo dan kasa. Bam. Mahama du Bawumia. Kufo. Even yenya ni did it, you know, a few people. Abrante bi di Kufo achi. On fear hostel. Your friend Kwame. Akwatete tebi. Oye no kwafo se Kwame nyame hiraw. Kwame Princess. Anyone wa wo Oluman ho no. These are trustworthy people. I'm telling you. When we watch Kufo ho no, when we are trustworthy, when we are nkrofo when we nim dey enim nyansa e wadwen a emu do, we knew but we shut up. So bi an kan chewa, we knew. Because the way na lihu Mahama, no badjo wulu no. Na no was yo. Oba nkran oba pe na Teresa Dimirika. Akwa 7 nsuo. Oma na aduane, e bibia fine. Na lihu ko, na lihu ba. What is happening? 81 day. Yeah. Near 3 years ago, baby. Pacho, mama di old man echi, muka shaibu. And he said that all of you shut up. And we did shut up. Bam! Alihu Mahama. Professor Mills, you John Dramani Mahama. Wanati. A room on Kiti say ya. And omuko tu for John Mahama no so onye. Me na me catch ro say ya ne. John Mahama no say onye on per animate bia. O di minister kakra obedi ni MP owia no akote ne baby John Mahama answer no obeti ase se obedi running mate ebe kopie menhia wo she John Mahama ka chen seminam kan wo she menhia cha me na ka seminam kan e kopie menhia from menhia Professor Miss bedun krape bam na po ma me e friend say na po ne ma me e friend say o papa nso e friend say on say consultation in fa Eti Bawumia de kombo ha. Enye na Po is a refined gentleman, fantastic. But ne kasa anye. Minister to be too fumo to for say confirm timetable bra. Eti MPP wudi ya wonye won ho sesei. Ba me nya no na me beka. I am telling you action speaks louder than words. A mental composition expressed by thoughts. Eti Kennedy Agyapong na ankasa to danum to check about video no bo nkwasiafo pa ma Jimmy MPP for Jimmy me go be stupid people. I don't know why I belong to that political party. Nkwasiafo pa ma Jimmy MPP for Jimmy me go be stupid people. I don't know why I belong to that political party. So Bawumia is a stupid person. He belongs to the MPP. Patro Bobiem. I don't know why I belong. Nkwasiafo pa ma Jimmy MPP for Jimmy me go be stupid people. I don't know why I belong to that political party. Nkwasiafo pa ma Jimmy MPP for Jimmy me go be stupid people. I don't know why I belong to that political party. Also crowd Timo de person born do say ya. Me pacho. Asamna Kennedy Agyapong kai no. O say MPP for pa Nkwasiafo pa stupid people. I don't know why I belong to that party. It is a because I say Bawumia Jimmy my mistake. Ken MPP for Jini Tum say on running as presidential candidate for the party. Also what Jimmy say Kennedy Agyapong Akufo-Addo ye Jimmy for. Akufo-Addo ye CPP ni or MPP ni to a Jimmy. Say Mpenifo ka say tekrema mpro. Na club ya sanche kotoko no tumfo say Tróuble bi omiwura wada meburu ma chen nya ado. O say enye se tekrema ne keke ene mpro. Na mano emu odu chen tekra no. Cause tekra timi yira na mo mano wo de ade ma ye kai. Club ya sanche kotoko no tumfo say Tróuble bi o. Share tekrema mpro nim. It is a Kennedy Agyapong me was MPP before Jimmy. Now I'm Jimmy for your president. I say MPP before Jimmy. What me a stupid people or can you chin or some kind of brofo? Said yeah, atu on teach you or ya igbeni ahagba or ya igbeni on country or kabrofo. Now what me ate? Say stupid ni tree ye Jimmy. Eti nanado wa Jimmy. Kennedy Agyapong na eka o nyame na meka. Eti obi a wafi party nim aba nanim. Say opeso di party nanim di president. Eti MPP for your stupid people ah. Why do you want a stupid person to lead you? Oyiwaye, 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 adiye bambala, oyiwaye, bambala, oyiwaye, bambala, oyiwaye, bamba. Mo sign language say who? She. What was said the reality? It is say na poye jibi for or a stupid person. Because Kennedy Agyapong say he does not know why he still belongs to the party. Birds of the same feathers, they flock together. Into one can say Kennedy Agyapong that one MPP no or a Jimmy for a stupid man. Measurement of his own words. One will say the reality. Mimi who say Akufo-Addo Achim Mafias and the current MPP. Essay on mine no, me moving out. I am gone for good.
You waiting for winning and somewhere Captain Smart edit to be our chess people compile a list of police personnel one and the other my commanders and I wanted the list command what is a big to be a fire in summer what the today. The guy was to see this so and our channel so we now subscribe ya message say over subscribe no like it now I share video I'm offer for so any be now watch it. Also bet me actually what you fire some way now I will comment boxing in my next video.
Thanks for watching. Like and share the video. You can also drop your comment. Please don't forget to subscribe. Click on the bell to turn on the notification.